Hi, welcome to my sewing channel. My name is Delilah, and today I am going to reveal to you my Sew Maxi for Mother's Day dress. So before I go into the details of my dress, I do want to thank Crumpets Tea and Sewing. She has a channel here on YouTube, and then also Crystal Sews and Stuff. She also has a channel here on YouTube, and they are also on Instagram. So make sure that you check out hashtag #SewMaxi for Mother's Day on Instagram. You guys, there are so many pretty maxi dresses on there. I mean, really, mine can't really compare. I mean, you guys are just so creative, and I love all of you are just incredible fashion designers. In fact, I just want to show you some examples of how pretty these dresses are. This is on Instagram right now, and I love this one. It just pops, and it is really so bold, so bright, from Andrea Makes, and she color blocked it. And then another one that really, I mean, they're all so cute, but look at this blue one with the flowers. Can you believe that? And then they all show, what pattern they made, and I just love that fabric. So, anyways, okay, so back to my dress. For this challenge, I used the Simplicity pattern 8872. And you guys, this pattern is a keeper. What I like about it is it has the ruffle sleeves right here. It also has a short ruffled version. They call it something. And then there's also just a simple sleeve version and a sleeveless version. You've also got your midi length, which is just really on trend right now. And then you have the maxi length. Okay, and then there are the line drawings right there. And you can see that, well, maybe you can't see, but this also includes pockets. The next time there's a sale, run on down to Joanns or wherever and grab this pattern. I think you're gonna really like it. Okay, so the details of my dress. Oh, and I am gonna try the dress on, so don't go anywhere. You'll wanna see me in the dress, but I'm just gonna kind of give you some details about it. The facing part I kind of messed up on, so I'll let you see the details right there. So right now I'm working on the bodice, and it's not going too well. The shoulder seams did not match up. I think I cut the lining shorter than the bodice, and then I had to gather it in the back to try to make it fit. I'm not gonna unpick it because this is such a delicate fabric that it might rip it. So I'm just going to move forward. When you turn it this way, you can't really even see it. And so I'm just gonna keep moving on, and I'm gonna just hope that this works and that this fits right. And then I use my my edge foot right here to get perfect stitches right along the edge of the ruffle. For the slight ruffle, I have my settings at 4.5, so just barely. And then over here, that is at a 2. And then I just have my regular foot, and then I'm just gonna slowly go like this. And it's just doing just a very, it's just giving me a very slight gather. Just a tiny little ruffle. And then this is the close-up of the sleeve. And the pattern also wants you to put in a elastic casing in the back just to make it a little bit more sturdier. Okay, and so right now I'm just trying it on for size. It's a little bit baggy in the chest area, so I'm going to take it in a little bit. And then I just need to add the last tier at the bottom of the dress. So when trying on the dress, around the neck area, it was too flimsy, like it kept kind of folding over. And so I did have to attach these strings to it. And see, it has it on this view, but on this one, I was not intending to do the strings but I guess my fabric just wasn't stiff enough. And so I just ended up sewing on the inside of it like that. But it's not bad. So let me go ahead and try it on. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I came upstairs for more room. Excuse the mess. My daughter decided to put all the pillows from my bed into the living room. But here we go. It's got the tiers on it. It's not as long as I wanted it to be, but I think it turned out great. And then here's the neck area. Don't forget to check out all the other videos in the Sew Maxi for Mother's Day challenge. You can even put that hashtag in the search bar, but mostly everything is over on Instagram. And I want to thank you to my subscribers. I did hit 1,000. So I hope that you continue to watch because I'm going to be doing a giveaway and I already have a sponsor lined up. We're doing a $50 gift card to one of my favorite fabric shops. So I'll be posting more details on that ahead. So make sure you click on the notification button so you hit that bell so that you get notifications. So thank you again, and until next time, happy sewing.